Welcome to the October project. This year I'm trying out something new. So throughout this month we will be tangling and creating Zentangle every single day. However, the grand reveal will happen on day 30 when we assemble all the tiles into a beautiful collage. So each day's work will build up towards that final reveal. The final reveal will feature an 8-pointed star, a symbol with deep spiritual significance across various cultures. In my culture, the star is known as the Star of Shhree, which represents the goddess Lakshmi. Now, the Hindu goddess Lakshmi is known for her feminine energies, and in this star, it represents her 8 manifestations. Lakshmi governs 8 sources of wealth. These are spirituality, agriculture, royalty, knowledge, courage, progeny, victory, and abundance. So I have created a template with strings that we will be using each day to create our final collage, which you can download via this link that is called sandhyamannestudio.com/star of Shree. So when you click on this link, it will lead you to a payment page, and once you make the payment, you will get an instant download of the template. So make sure you use this template to create your strings, and every day we will be working on one particular string. So make sure you download the string PDF and follow along with me here on my channel every single day of this month, October. Together, we will create a new tile every single day, which will then culminate into a stunning, lovely looking 8-pointed star. Okay, so I hope to see you soon on this journey. See ya. Namaste.